ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिमानंदमय की जय। आज बनाएंगे पापड़ी चाट। इट्स यमी। नॉर्थ में वो लोग पापड़ी बोलते हैं, हम लोग यहाँ भेल की पूरी बोलते हैं। इट्स दिस चपटा पूरी like this, which I take ready made from that Mahila Samaj that I was talking about, Mahila Mandal, where all the ladies sit down and they make fresh nashta, all the snacks. You will get khakra and क्या क्या मिलता है, बहुत कुछ मिलता है ना वहाँ।
खाकरा, चकली, चिवड़ा,
बहुत कुछ मिलता है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें मिलती है। मेरा नैपकिन नहीं लाए, नैपकिन ले आओ एक हाथ पूछने को। So you get all those things over there. So they make fresh papadis and pani puri ki puri, and I get all my stuff from there. Even the save, what we call save, that also I get from there. So it's very nice. Now see all the ingredients for papadi chaat. It is papadi. You can see the papadi, right? Papadi. It's very simple, but it's very tasty. You take boiled potatoes. Aloo ko boil karke, you make cubes like this, you can see it. Make cubes like this and keep it ready. Then you take curd and beat it up and keep it ready. Dahi. Then you make khatta meetha chutney. In this you can't put a khajur ki chutney. You can, it's not like you can't, but the khatta meetha chutney tastes much better. So how do you make the khatta meetha chutney? You have to take water in a vessel, put it on the gas, okay? 1 cup, as much chutney as you want, because you can preserve this chutney in the fridge also. For a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's okay, it doesn't get spoiled. So you take a bowl of pani, throw it on the gas, in the vessel, on the flame, heat it and put a huge chunk of jaggery. Good. As meetha as you want, but because it's khatta and meetha and it's a very quick thing, so you don't have to soak imli, tamarind in the night and then in the morning you squeeze out. All that is eliminated. So what do? That's what I'm showing you. So in the bowl you take a piece of jaggery and let it melt. When it is completely melted, you throw in sukha masala, which is red chili powder, little salt, dhania powder, 2 teaspoons of dhania powder. Mix it nicely and then you throw in a lot of amchur, as khatta as you want. Okay, amchur is mango powder. So throw it in and go on stirring quickly, because the moment you throw in amchur, it will swell up. So be careful about that. Take a bigger utensil and go on stirring till the whole mixture is ready. And because of the jaggery, it will start thickening. So see how thick you want. If you want it more liquidy, then you have to put a little more water. If you want it more thick, you have to put less water. And your chutney is ready. And you just put it in the fridge and it is ready. So that is this chutney. See. For color, you can put the Kashmiri chili powder also. You get the nice red color. It's not spicy. And you can put a little spicy chutney also. This is that khatta meetha chutney. It's yum. For chaat, it's very nice. Then what I have done is I've taken a mixture of all this chana, sing, what you get in the market, peanuts, the salted ones, then the chana, then the chana jor garam I've taken, and roasted moong dal, salted moong dal, which I'll show you. I've just mixed it up. So you get ready packets of this, So this is what it looks like, roasted moong dal. I hope you can see it. And this is chana jor garam, which you get outside in the market. And this is peanuts, salted peanuts. And this is salted chana. Sing chana wala jo hota hai, baithta hai. He sells all this. So I've just taken all those little things and mixed it up. Now supposing you don't get this in the market, whatever you get, you can pick up. Even if you don't get, it's fine. You can eliminate. And I have taken some pomegranate dana, some little bit of pomegranate. So that's it. Now what you do is you take your dahi. first thing, and put it in your bowl. I'm not making too much because I'm not going to eat it right now, so I'm just showing you. Okay, put a first layer is curd. I hope you can see it. The first layer is curd. Then you layer it like this in the bowl. Then you put your papadis like this, as much as you want. All the papadis go in. Then again you put a little bit of dahi. Layer it. This is like biryani, you layer it one by one. Then you throw in some potatoes on the layer of curd. See. Then again you put little dahi. Then again you put little papadi. Like this. Now once this is done, then the final layer is, you can do as many layers as you want. As much as you want to eat. Okay. Then again you put dahi on top. And then what you do is, you throw in all your masalas first. That is lal mirchi powder, red chili powder, as much as you need, jitna tikha chahiye. Jeera powder, cumin powder, then a lot of chaat masala. Okay, so here goes the chaat masala, which comes in ready packets like I've told you. Then put a little bit of kala namak, pink salt. That's it. Then put your pomegranate, little bit. Okay, little danas. Then take your chutney. I'm going to put a little more dahi. You can make it as fancy as you want. Then your chutney, khatta meetha chutney. Pour it in. Okay. After this is done, finally you take this busa that I have kept ready and throw it in. As much as you need and as much as you want. And your chatpata papadi chaat is ready. I have to show it to you. Bharti, get the camera closer so we can show them what we've done. See. Yummy?
Yes.
It looks so nice, na? And then taste it. I'm not going to have it now, but I know it's yummy because I've had it many times. So try it, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you like it. So I'm happy and I'll be very thrilled. You can put some more anar on top if you want. Okay? So it looks attractive, but it is so attractive. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Gunatu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. बोलो श्री शिमानंदमय की
जय।
आज की पापड़ी चाट
बहुत बढ़िया।
बहुत बढ़िया।